Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve your password if you forgot it in Discord. So first is you'd want to go to your user settings here, so click on that. As you can see, we're currently on the My Account page, and below here you could see on the password and authentication that you could change your password, so just click on that. But in order to change your password, you must know your current password so that you can change it to a new password. So if you forgot your password, what you'd want to do is to log out. We're going to log out first so that I could show you guys for those who don't know their password. So add an account. So as you can see, there's a forgot password right here. If you forgot your password, just click on that. So you need to put your email or phone number first. So I'm going to put my email here. So click on forgot your password. So it said that we sent instructions to change your password to your email. After that, let's just check my email right here. So there, as you can see, there is a reset password option here. So just click on that. And once you click on that, it will prompt you to change your password here by entering a new password. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.